morning guys, my name is Shashank Ashok and you're watching my vlog. In today's vlog I'll be traveling from Madurai to Kodaikanal, and this is a very exciting one because it's just 6 o'clock in the morning and it's an early start today. So it's gonna be fun, excitement and enjoyment at its best. Gonna climb up the hill right now, and we've just taken a break over here. In another let's say about 1 hour we'll be reaching Kodaikanal. It's a hilltop. It's about 46 kilometers from here, and we'll just let the bike engine switched off so that it can cool, and once that's done we'll go up. This landscape, absolutely beautiful, nature's gift. This is what Kodaikanal is all about. It's pretty awesome. This is the Silver Cascade waterfalls in Kodaikanal. We have just crossed the checkpost of Kodaikanal. Now another half an hour we'll be reaching the main city. We just sat here for a 5-minute break so that we could cool down the engine. And this is my uncle who's been driving the bike from Madurai up till here. Still 8 more kilometers to go for the city we should reach. How are you feeling?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Yeah, I'm great. Place is really good. Finally, we have reached Kodaikanal, and now we are just having our breakfast in Astoria Vegetarian Hotel. Looking forward to an awesome trip over here. Just walking through the forest. It's pretty exciting, man. Kodaikanal is awesome. We're at a wax museum in Kodaikanal right now, and there's absolutely pin drop silence. It's amazing. We're just on our way to the suicide point. Green Valley it's called. And the old name is the suicide point. It's fogged up over here. The weather is brilliant and we are having an awesome time over here. This is the suicide point and it's covered up with mist. Actually, it's a vertical drop of I think unknown depth, and it's pretty fatal for a suicide. A guy, whoever suicides, can just be found after 3 days only, and it's very tough to find out. So I recommend people not coming here usually, but this has been safety measures have been taken a lot, but this has been a tourist spot since then. This is a shot through the binocular. This is how it actually looks. This place is the Pillar Rocks area, and this is very steep downhill and covered with mist also. So it's beautiful to watch from here. We just finished with the Pillar Rocks. It was awesome. The weather is beautiful. So next we are going towards Guna Cave. That's a place where there is a lot of shooting spots and famous films have been taken. So we're just going to have a look at that and then go towards the pine forest and then head out to the Red Hawk Fort. His name was Sri Shenbaga Nadar. He was the one who first came over here, and in this is the cave over here. You could see Guna Caves written over there. So he fell from here on May 12th and he was discovered on 13th May from 500 feet below the ground. So this is pretty dangerous spot, but it's worth watching. This is the cave actually, and this is very steep. This railing, we are actually shooting it beyond the railings. You're not supposed to go beyond this because it's a death zone. But this is what is Guna Caves about. Wow. That's the drop. That's what you're talking about. This is a part of the cave. This is actually formed between the two rocks known as crevasses, and these are the main danger points because once you drop and you're never going to be recovered. It's so dark and the depth is too much, and this side on the right hand side, it's covered with mist, so you can see the drop, how much is it. just arrived from Kodaikanal, and to be honest, I'm really missing it. But it's fine, at the end of the day, some good fun should come to an end also. But yeah, it's pretty awesome. It was pretty awesome today. And a lot of fun, excitement, because we went through the whole trip by the bike also. And the bike ride was the brilliant one in this vlog and the trip to Kodaikanal. So I'll be traveling more. So until next time, it's me, Shashank. Thank you.